If you need an easy-to-start business that doesn't require expensive machinery or a big space. A business that will allow you to work from home. A business that you can do during your spare time. Something that you can easily grow. You don't need to be a woodworker to start a woodworking business. Jim shows you the secrets of starting and growing the business into a profitable venture even with zero woodworking experience. You will realize that establishing a home-based working business isn't as expensive or risky as people might think. If you are going to start a home-based woodworking business, then you'll need to learn everything about the business. Like, how to start it. What you need to sell for maximum profits. Where you need to sell your items. Who to sell them to. This will help you avoid risking your investment. The guide at Wood Profits contains everything you need to know, such as marketing methods, and how to tap into unique high-profit niches. The guide also contains fine details such as the exact words to use when selling your products to increase sales. You will also get to learn things like the top profitable crafts to sell, the 12 words that will make your customers come back, how to get testimonials from your customers free of charge, tips on where to buy materials and tools at discounted prices, cool tips to grow your woodworking and sales skills, help you discover amazing online strategies and secret resources for getting more profits online. You will also learn how to build a strong online presence and discover top-selling projects and real-life success stories from woodworking business owners who started small and are now making 4 to 5 figures monthly. So if you have always wanted to start a woodworking business at home, then click on the link below to start your journey today.